We're live right here in Wichita, Kansas. Location is 805 Dayton, right by West High School. This is the amount of snow we've gotten, about 9 inches from what my dad was saying. With some freezing drizzle. Our van is completely covered, as you can tell. The doors are probably frozen solid. I couldn't even get into it. Oh, incredible. But our van's completely covered. And then we also have our cars over there that's completely covered. And it is cold out. There's a good look. Winter Snowstorm 2013. Beautiful icicles over there. That's it.